So, you've got this nice and simple Bambu Lab A1 printer and want to print your first project. In this video I'll show you step by step how to go from an STL object file to a real 3D printed object. We'll start by removing the microSD card from the printer and connecting it to your computer. Next, download and open the Bambu Studio slicer, which you need to prepare the object file into a sliced Gcode file that the printer can understand. In the slicer, select your printer so the settings adapt specifically to it. Then import your STL file and place it so no supports are needed and no parts are hanging in mid-air. Arrange the part on the print bed and adjust the necessary settings depending on how strong the part needs to be. Slice the part and save it to the memory card. Finally, insert the card back into the printer, select the file, start the print, and enjoy the process.